You want mommy to pet you, Shido? See, he doesn't want to be pet. Look at him. As long as there's no biting involved, that should be okay. You're so sleepy. He likes to bite. That's the problem with this dog. You really want to pet him, but he's still a puppy and he likes biting. He thinks it's a form of love. Hey, just no hurting, okay? Cider? Don't penetrate on my ankle because you have a big mouth. Big mouth, and look at that mouth, so big.